Hey everyone, welcome to Education Dice, a free platform for lifelong learning. This is first video by Education Dice. This is just an introductory video. In this video, we are going to give an introduction of what is Education Dice. We will discuss the short-term aims of this channel, long-term aims, and who should subscribe and join us, and also why. We will give you an idea about our upcoming videos. What is Education Dice? This is actually a free learning platform for all the CTET, state TETs, and DSSSB, KVS, and JNVS recruitment exams aspirants. We will provide you online classes. We also provide you notes and PPT slides on the site educationdice.com. The best part of this journey will be all the classes will be conducted in both the languages. What are the short-term aims of this channel? We will have discussions on child development pedagogy, classroom management, school administration, and also teaching aptitude. The long-term aims of this channel are: we want to guide you to have a very nice career in teaching and education field. This channel will surely help you to be a very good facilitator, and since all the topics are related to child and learners, therefore this will surely help you in parenting. Who should subscribe us and join us? If you are going to appear in the upcoming CTET exam, state TETs, KVS exam, JNVS exam, DSSSB, if you are a B.Ed student, if you are an education diploma student, or a teacher. Finally, the upcoming videos. We will discuss educational psychology. We will also discuss heredity and environment in upcoming videos, growth and development, some teaching methods, and yes, many more to come. If you want to be a teacher, join us in our journey. Visit educationdice.com for notes and online lectures. Subscribe the channel, like this video, share to friends and relatives. Thank you.